how to download Google Docs document as rich text format on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just click here on file in the top corner, and after you click on file, now all what you have to do is go down to download, and you will find many formats right here. Just go to rich text format, you will find here, click on it, and it's gonna be downloaded as rich text format. Easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.